Hey, what's up, Ankr holders? So this is the latest update of Ankr coin, and what's the prediction to upcoming days? Ankr as moving up or Ankr fails down? And what's the opinion, my friend, to upcoming days? What we do, sell, hold, or buy? Everything discussed in this video with details. So kindly don't skip any second of this video. I told you, my friend, very fastly, but kindly don't skip any second. All right, my friend. As you can see here, first of all, I open the latest chart. You can see the last 1 hour chart is on the screen. The last 1 hour change, if you can see here, minus 0.66% fails down. So why they fails down? First of all, I told you, my friend, this. So this is a big reason as that, my friend, to especially short time investors starting selling in those days. So therefore, my friends, they fails down. But don't fear, my friend. Absolutely, this is start now a second week of this month. So I hope in the second week they moving up like a rocket. Definitely, you can see here after a very bad fail, my friend, they take a starting moving a very small jump. So I hope, my friends, they take a very long jump in upcoming days. This is my expectation. My expectation is very good, my friend, for Ankr, because this is one of the fastest coin. The price at 0.168264 US dollar, my friend. This time the latest price, and if you can see here, the price change occur as a negative, my friend. They fails down. So definitely the price is also fails down. But I hope, my friend, if you know the previous days, they also very badly fails down. So therefore, my friend, a lot of holders are very terrible. Tell us to this is terrible condition. We are going to sell now and be safe from all loss. But definitely, if you starting selling, then absolutely you are at the loss. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. Kindly, all holders, be alert because they are starting moving up in upcoming days. So I hope you enjoy this video, this latest update, absolutely for you important. So please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for this time more informative videos.